Time to listen up, all you haters hate away. I'm about my money, working hard to get the cake. Rocking each city and state, and if it's just my fate, things will finally change. And I get a little money, hook my family up with strings. Nothing's better than that girl Mary Jane. Rolling sweets will surely ease my pain. There's not a better feeling than taking hits to the brain. Not worried about the fame of the underground movement. All I want from you is to listen to my music. If you like my shit, then copy and use it to show all your friends. White noise about to blow, ain't no telling when. Having it made, things have changed, but I'm still ripping the spade. SRH and putting it down everywhere in my town. Everybody knows my name. White noise up in the game, always gonna stay the same. Never is it gonna change. If fame comes my way, I'ma refuse to stay strange. Continue, stay blaze. Are we on the same page? Are you taking notes on everything that I say? I ain't got no time for playing games, you must be insane. Stop acting so lame. I bet your girl thinks she gay, that's why she coming my way. How do you treat her main? Lucky she's not a dame, or she be feeling some pain. Nothing to lose, but there's always something to gain. I don't give a fuck if you take my name in vain, cause I'm just a crazy white boy trying to have things made.